Hi, today I'll be going over 3 different scales: C major, G major, and D major. We're going to be playing 1 octave, so if I start on the low C string, we're going to end on 4 on the G string, which is the next C. The notes of the C major scale, because there are no sharps or flats, are just C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So the fingerings then are open, 1, 3, 4, open, 1, 3, 4. We also need to know the arpeggio for the scale, which is the first, third, and fifth note. So the first note is C, the third note is E, and the fifth note is G. So when we play the arpeggio, C, D, G, C, open, 3, open, 4. Okay. And our next scale is D major. So D major, we're going to start on the open D string, and we're going to end on 4 on the A string, which is the next D. Our notes, because there are 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp, are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. So, open, 1, 3, 4, open, 1, 3. And the arpeggio again is the first, third, and fifth notes. So for D major, this is D, F sharp, A, D. Open, 3, open, 4. And our final scale is the G major scale, which has 1 sharp, F sharp. Our first note is the open G string, and our last note is 4 on the D string, which is the next G. So, open, 1, 3, 4, open, 1, 3, 4. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. And the first, third, and fifth notes, G, B, D. So, open, 3, open, 4, G, B, D, G. And that's all.